All right, welcome to my kitchen. This is Lisa, and I just wanted to share with you, I walked in the door a few minutes ago. I just pulled everything out because I wanted to have it a little more organized and prepared for you, but we're making chicken and zucchini fritters. Yum. So I'm actually using turkey for my meat because I didn't have any ground chicken, but I had some ground turkey. So you can absolutely do that. When I walked in the door, one thing I did was I got my zucchini out and I got my shredder and I shredded 2.5 cups of zucchini. And let me show you, it's been sitting over here for just 10 minutes. This is 2.5 cups of zucchini, and I sprinkled 1 teaspoon of salt on it. And it's just been sitting in the colander with a paper towel to absorb some of the moisture so that they're not too soggy, because these are yummy fritters. So I'm just going to set that down for just a minute. Now this actually calls for a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. I'm going to nix that, and I'm using extra Parmesan. So it asks for a 1/3 cup of Parmesan. I'm doing 1/2 cup. So we dump that in there. It also asks for a 1/4 cup of mozzarella, and I'm going to do a 1/3 cup, again, to fill in for those 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. So we put that in there. And the next thing is going to be our garlic. Now, a lot of times I do have garlic cloves on hand, and I love extra garlic, so I always do extra, but I also keep this minced garlic on hand. It's nice and easy and convenient. And so it asks for 2 cloves. 1 teaspoon equals a clove, and I'm doing a whole tablespoon because I like extra, and a tablespoon is 3 teaspoons. But to me, it just, everything mixes better with your hands. When I'm making meatloaf, I do the same thing. And you can make a really yummy meatloaf too. But there's all kinds of great things to try, and you can replace, you know, your starches and your flours and that with all kinds of different things. Just get it mixed up really good so you've got all your flavors mixed good in there. And I have this handy dandy scoop here. You can use whatever size you want. I'm going to make these bigger because they're going to be my main dish. And this is like an old pan, but it's my favorite pan, so it's not very pretty, but it's very functional. And then I have my olive oil right here, and we'll just stick that in there. Put a little bit of oil in there and turn it on. So what I'm hoping that you learn from, you know, these different cooking things that we're doing is that there's so many different options and things that you can exchange and trade and make everything healthy, but also easy and simple and yummy. And lots of seasonings make a huge difference. And we're going to scoop these. And you can use smaller ones. I do have a smaller scoop as well, but I scoop it and I flatten it out. And these are so good. I've actually made these multiple times, and they're so yummy. And I hope you guys don't mind. I'm just in my, I get home, I take my uniform off, put a t-shirt and sweatpants on, and we go. And so there is my chicken zucchini fritters, and they are cooking, and they'll be ready in 10 minutes. You could throw a salad together to go with it. You could cook some green beans or some cauliflower, broccoli, just about any kind of vegetable, whatever your favorite vegetable is, to go with it. So these won't take very long. We'll cook them, we'll turn them over, and you can eat them plain, or you could add some kind of a sauce to go with them. I have made like a garlic and sour cream sauce before. All kinds of yummy different sauces that you can make. But it's very tasty, and I hope you enjoy.